I feel like I need like some bushes. I need some greenery. We need some like flowers.
It's the perfect time for the pet statues.
You're so right. Okay, should we do kitties, doggies, or sheep? I think I kind of like the sheep.
I was like, I think you could do 2 and 2 if you wanted.
Let's just do the council.
Wonderful. They've decided your fate.
Wonderful.
It's not looking good.
Oh shit. Okay.
Huh?
Look, they can like fit there.
Yeah.
But I think maybe we put like the... Oh, I can't put the flower bushes. The council.
You want to add a couple ducks to the...
Do you think?
I mean, it's water, yeah.
Wonderful. Yes! Can we put torches? Lanterns here? No. More lanterns! So cute.
That would be... I would love to go to a park like that.
I think it does need like a little bit more... Ooh, let's like... There. Oh, we're at max. Terraforming.
Now you just need more people. Someone else at the train
Okay,
station.
add remove water or flint and smooth in terrain. Okay. Can we like flatten? Oh,
I mean,
God.
I assume that's...
Okay, we want it to be based off of this. I'll fix that. Look, there we go. Now this is like not buckling weird.
Yeah.
Let's make this a lot softer and bigger.
It was a lot of terraforming.
Is that?
Oh, God.
It's okay.
Impact crater.
Oh my God, it's really like not gentle. Oh, smooth.
Ooh.
There we go. Yes. Perfect. If only terraforming was this easy. That's fine. Okay, who wants to move in? You want flowers. Oh. Let's... Oh, you need workers.
I mean, you could add a second story to some of the houses behind, like, me and Sniper's house. That should have some good flower score,
Yeah,
I
I
think.
think so.
That one might be... Yeah.
Well, we'll
No?
decorate them. That's fine.
Trees. Oh, there's 15% right there.
Yeah, and then we can get more trees around them.
You need 17 more people.
Close. I think we'll be decent with these. Let's get these kind of
Oh, and I know 8 more.
decorated.
Means I think the next
Like
chunk
set.
of people bringing on the
Yeah.
train will... Yeah. What seems like animal cruelty, Sniper? The ducks in the pond, they don't...
They can fly.
Yeah, they're not trapped there. They're just there. They can leave when they want. They live there by choice.
Okay, where is... Let's do our well. Let's put a well here. Ooh, that's a pretty, like, autumn tree.
Me and Sniper have a well in the front yard and the backyard now.
It's fine. Who wanted flowers? They wanted flowers. I think.
Look, if God forced the ducks to swim in the fountain forever, that's on the ducks, I guess, at that point. I don't know, it's on God, that's on the ducks. It's not on the mayor.
You guys are the flower house, right? Yeah. Oh, and you're 20% happy now. You're perfect.
Yeah, I was like, it's either them or
You-
others.
Someone wanted trees around here, so we'll do...
It was the one right by the train track, I think.
Ah, right. Well, you get a bunch of little trees. Yeah, there you go. Now you're happy. Let's give them...
99%.
I know. Boop.
Great place to live. 100%.
Hee. Okay, what do you want? You want... buy shops. I'm sorry, you're gonna have to be happy with that, and maybe we'll get shops near you later. Regular comfortable house, there you go.
I mean, 5% is still better